I am Emery Mitchell. I have been working here at Jetty East since 1974 at age 19, and after 44 years I am going to semi-retire, but retire from Jetty East, from working here at this building. I've helped build it, I've taken care of it. It's been my baby, so to speak. It's been, I've admired this wonderful building and with the people, made wonderful relationship with not only homeowners and helped take care of them, but as well as the guests, snowbirds, and summer crowds as well. And the relationships that I've acquired with people have been priceless. They're more valuable than gold or silver or any kind of material possessions you can think of. So I will greatly miss this place where I've worked for 44 years. And it's been a real adventure, and I'm getting ready to get into another adventure. I'm moving up into the mountains, and so I'll never forget this place, never forget the wonderful days, the days of growing up, and I wouldn't trade it for anything. And well, I've been blessed, been very blessed.